Now, what I don't understand is why is Nike and Jordan brand is depending on collabs in order to get a silhouette going, when all you had to do was make this shoe a quick strike. You feel me? Make this shoe limited, and it'll get the people going. You feel me?
But it's provocative.
No, it's not. It
gets the people going.
Be like, it'll make more people actually want to, you know what I'm saying, buy the regular OGs again, man. But y'all gonna get this shoe, a perfectly good shoe, something that we've been waiting on for years, man. You gonna flood the market with it? It's crazy to me. Now, this shoe have already shot drop, had early access. I mean, this have been one of the easiest shoes, in my opinion, this year, the backdoor. I mean, that's how you know this shoe gonna be flooded, man. If I was y'all, I would not pay resale for these. That's just me, man. It's just too many of these pairs out, and this just was, I don't know, man, what Nike was thinking, man. Why would y'all make this so widely available, man? That's crazy, man. We've been waiting for this shoe for so long, man. Now, I get there's gonna be some people out there that says that everybody should be able to grab what they like, man. I don't believe in that, you feel me? And it's not because of what I do. It's just the fact that I feel like there should be some things in life that's exclusive, you feel me, to certain people, man. It should be tiers of things, man. This should be one of those, if that make any sense to y'all. And another thing I hate about this shoe being so widely available, man, is that everybody gonna be wearing the exact same thing with this shoe, man. You're gonna see the Chicago Bulls jersey, the I think it's a home, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know, the white one, man. You're gonna see a lot of those, man. You're gonna see a lot of denim tier fits, man.
Don't do it. Go buy the shoes, put something else on, all right? But come on, am I bugging, or could y'all see this fit as an everyday fit for some people once these shits really go crazy and drop?
It's just gonna be the same thing over and over and over again with these shoes, man. And if you're looking to actually be different when you're wearing this shoe, if you actually get your hands on this shoe, which I don't think it's gonna be hard, if you're looking for something different, man, make sure you shop at Brand Vault, man. Now, Brand Vault is a sneaker and streetwear apparel brand, man, that specializes in graphic tees, man. The quality is there, the graphic prints is there, man. Everything about this brand is A1, man. I would not be putting my name behind a brand if I'm not feeling it, man. That's just me. Y'all, if y'all know me, man, y'all know that I'm very picky when it comes to my clothes, man. And Brand Vault, I'm telling you, man, is it, man. So if you're looking to have something to wear with these shoes, man, make sure you look at the link down in the description below, man, and shop Brand Vault apparel. Yeah, these things released October the 28th, man, for I think $200, man. The resale market, don't look too crazy on these. Like I said, it's gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be flooded, man. I wouldn't pay resale for them. I really won't even buy these things for GOAT, man, because there should be somebody out there that you can lowball and actually get it. You know what I'm saying, for a decent price, man. I wouldn't pay too much more. Let me see what they're going for on StockX, man. Give me a second.
3 days later.
Yeah, like right now, man, most of these prices like $250, $260, man, $300. When this shoe drop, man, it's gonna go down tremendously, bro. So you ain't gotta really worry about that. That just be, I wouldn't go too crazy over it, man. It's a lot of these out here, man. So if you want this shoe, make sure you put your footwork in and actually put your footwork in. I'm sorry, dozed off a little bit. Put your footwork in so you can be able to get this shoe for retail, man. If you feel the same way I feel, man, make sure you drop a comment down below, man. Yeah, that's all I really got to say about it, man. It should be enough reviews on YouTube, so that's another reason why there's a lot of these out there, man. Everybody on the YouTube market already reviewed these, man, but they're just my gripe about these shoes. Yeah, man, if you feeling the video, make sure you smash that like button for your boy. Don't forget to subscribe, man. It will help your boy out a lot, man. Like I said, man, if you feel the same way I feel, make sure you drop a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out here.